In front of me is iPad Air 2025 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Now hit Turn Passcode on. Tap on Passcode options and click on a perfect one for you. 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Then create it. Now, if you see this kind of pop-up, you need to change it because it's too easy. I will go with choose anyway though, because this is only an example. Now log in into your account and when you're ready, wait. I will go with cancel though. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that passcode is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!